Now we're going to go over the progress summary for the professional development plan that we came up with. Reviewing one of our goals to engage in workshop and professional development sessions on culturally responsive teaching practices and using those practices to develop unit plans and integrating culturally diverse texts. 90% of the teachers said they were satisfied with the professional development sessions that they were in, and they felt like they truly were able to learn teaching practices that would help them integrate culturally responsiveness into their classroom. All 36 teachers were able to develop and implement unit plans that integrated culturally diverse texts or learning activities, because it may look different from mathematics. Student engagement improve or will improve at least by 15%. And English classrooms as measured by teacher observations and student feedback. We always love to ask the students, what do they think? And what are they learning? Observations will indicate an improvement in student achievement in 25 out of 36 teachers, so approximately 70%. The remaining will continue to have PD plan that will further support them in creating and implementing culturally relevant teaching practices.